All right, final question, 6-part question, lots of stuff here. Some review, some stuff we're going to skip over. Here we go. The following data represent, I hate that, that is plural, so this is grammatically correct. For me, I'd say this is data and it represents. Anyway, the following data represent the weight in grams of a box of raisins and the number of raisins in the box. Let's think about that really quick. How much a box weighs, and then how many raisins are in the box? What should be the correlation there? As the weight goes up, what should happen to the number of raisins? Okay. Does the relation defined by the set of ordered pairs w, n represent a function? So remember, to find that, we have to look, and we have to look at each of these x values and see if there are any repeat x values. Because if there's a repeat x value, it's not a function. So let's see, I got 42.2, 42.3, 42.8, 42.5, 42.8. Ooh, right here, these 42.8s, do they have the same y value? 42.8, 88, 42.8, 91. No, they don't. This means this is not a function because an x value repeated. Now we have to find the scatter plot. All right. The highest we get is 92. Looks like it's going by ones here. This one looks really high. 90 is 42.8. No. Let's see. Oh, this is annoying. Oh. Well, that's a lot easier. Okay, let's see. So 1, 2. Okay, so each of these along the bottom is 0.1. So at 42.2, we have 87. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Yeah, okay, so these are going by ones. So 42.2, 87. So that should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I should see a dot right here. I don't on this one. So I know it's not that. 82.2 or 42.2 and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, it could be this one. Do I have another 42.2? I do. 42.2 comma 90. So that was 87, 88, 89, 90. Oh, so it's not that. Okay, so it can't be this one. How many 42.2s do we have? 42.2, 42.2. I only have 2 of them. So let's look at this one. I see 42.2, I see 2 dots there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So that'd be 91. There we are. 88 and 91. So, or 87 and 91, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep, 8, 9, 10. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, it was supposed to be 90. Okay, okay. Yeah. So that's our graph. Yay. Next question. Draw a scattered wait, we did that. Oh. Find the equation containing these points. Oh, okay. Dear calculator. So this is kind of putting everything together, right? So we want 42.3. So I'm going to go off screen really quick because I can't see that. So I'm going to clear out my plots. Let's see, 42.3 comma 82. So 42.3, and then the y value of that's 82. And then 42.8, and the y value is 92. So remember, for these, I just go in and I put the x's in the x column and the y's in the y column. Make sure you match them up correctly. And now I can just stat calc 4. Boom. A is 20, so y equals 20x plus negative 784. I'm curious to see if it'll take plus negative 784. All right, so I want to do minus 784 then. No, I'm right. 64. I'm not right. Excuse me, I'm right. Oh, goodness. Oh, have you guys ever done that before? Oh, that's annoying. That's what I get for being cocky. Okay, so I did it right, but I was silly. I didn't pay attention to what was going on here. They've given me the letters to use. I should have used W, and I should have been paying attention. It says N is equal to. Oh, silly me. I would not take points off for that on a test. Just a heads up. Because what I'm really checking for is, do you understand how to find this line of best fit? All right, so now we're going to look and see which one of these is the graph. Well, only one of, let's see. That's the wrong graph, right? We want the one with the 2 dots here. So it's one of these two. And then which of these lines fits the data better? I think this one fits the data better. Express the relationship found in part C using function notation. Okay, so function notation, remember, that's not y is equal to x stuff. That is where we have to do like f of x. So in this case, we could say n of w is equal to 20w minus 764. That's, remember, so y gets replaced with the f of x thingy, and then I guess x is going to get replaced with this w thingy. Predict the number of raisins in a box that weighs 42.5 grams. Use the above function. Literally, all you do, you go to your function, you say, dear function, right? And our function was y is equal to 20x minus 764. Well, it's saying x is 42.5. So I do 20 times 42.5 minus 764. Bob, I got 86. 86 raisins. Interpret the slope of the line found in part C. All right, well, I'm going to do that without them. So we got y is equal to 20x minus 764. Or, to be fancy, n of w is equal to 20w minus 764. So w stood for weight, right? And this was 20 over 1. So what I could say is that I rise 20 for every run of 1. And the way that we talk about slope in words is we can say, in general, we can say y per x. So what's our y values here? Raisins, right? So the bad English version of this is raisins per weight. But we don't normally say per, we wouldn't normally say per weight. We would want to say what the units of that weight is. So that's the bad English. Raisins per weight. Raisins per, what's one weight change here? Oh, it's 0.1, right? 0.1 grams. Raisins per 0.1 grams. So 20 raisins for every 0.1 grams. So we could say if the weight increases by 1 gram, oh, I'm wrong, not 0.1 grams, just 1 gram. If the weight increases by 1 gram, the number of raisins increases by 20 raisins. All right. And that is chapter 3.5. So I understand if you wouldn't want to go back and fix that if you were clicking along with me. I'm not going to redo this whole lengthy problem just because of that one mistake. So I hope this video has been helpful. Oh, I see I'm over the 10-minute mark. No, I'm not monetized, don't worry. All right, see you guys. Bye.